Before I start this video, I just wanted to let you know that only 25% of the people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, so make sure to subscribe. Hello adventurous people, my name is Luca, and I hope you have a great day. So, this is the new dirt scooter. I'm so excited. It's been shipping for like a few weeks, and I finally got it. It has like cool tires, and I'm just gonna unbox it real quick, and then I'm gonna go test it out. Check this out, this looks so good. It's like all black grip tape, then it has like a nice blue. And then these tires, they look like they're air filled, so that's cool, so you can adjust the pressure. So there's my dirt scooter, and I'm just gonna test it out in the woods next to us, because I'm pretty sure these wheels should hold up. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Yeah. Well, let me try it first.
Just go down once.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to go down this hill. Okay. Oh, yeah, it just drifts at the end. So it works here. Want to go to the hill?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Let's go like to the grass house. I'm just gonna go.
Yeah, just send it. Just don't fall into that river. Whoa! Ready to teleport, Preston?
Let's teleport.
All right, teleport in 3, 2, 1. All right, I didn't make it to the hills yet, but we found something really cool. Go for it. He's just skidding in all this gravel. All right, now for real, we're going to the hills. In 3, 2, 1. The hills are right up here, and that's where we're heading. So we're at the top of the hills now. Preston's just getting up, and then we're gonna test our speed and see how fast we can get it. It's so much like softer to go on the road with this because the tires are so good. All right, so here's the app. It just moves and it tells you how fast you're going, and we're recording it, so I'll check it later. I'll just put it in my pocket. And I'm gonna go down that way. So it says right here that we went 19.27 miles per hour. Alright, that's going to be the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. See you next time. Fun fact, scooters were first invented in 1990. And question of the day, how could I make my videos better? Leave it in the comments below. I'm excited to see your answers.